Good morning. Well, we're on the shed portion of this project today. It's very similar to the main building in that it is a precast building. However, it's got quite a combination of techniques involved. So we've got cast in place columns, tilt up walls, which will then be placing our precast beams across the top of, and the deck lid on this is precast. So there won't be any problems with anything stored inside of this shed, including hurricanes, freaks of nature, floods, what have you. This thing is pretty much bulletproof. So Caterino, our foreman on this crew, is working out here on the chute. He's pushing in this SCC mud. ECM is supplying us as usual, and it makes life easy on the finishers. So that's the point. We've got a lot of chemical in this mix, which makes it real nice and wet, and it more or less levels itself out as you put the right amount in there. Been at it since about 6 o'clock. So our rod busters are coming in right now. They're going to continue pre-time beams, and hopefully have another pour on Thursday of this week. So things are moving along pretty good. Over here in the main part of the building, last week we were able to complete the underground plumbing, pour back everything. So that's opening up subcontractors inside here, the fire sprinkler guys, HVAC systems, and once we get mostly everything overhead, then we're going to be going back to metal framing. Over the past week, we've been doing underground work out here. It's pretty much done. You can see the rain leaders stubbed up close to the building here. Not connected yet. Obviously, we still got to do some painting, but it's not far away, and getting underground work out of the way is a big part of moving this job site along. So back inside again, we got a few things stored inside of here. This is going to be the main firewall, and everything from this side forward is going to be offices. So again, plumbing's in the ground. We're well opened up for subcontractors right now. Got some materials stockpiled, and we're going to keep on moving. So we'll touch base a little bit later in the project.